Let's take a look at how to use this tool. First, go to Sangfor Checks, then navigate to the Advanced section and locate the VMware Migration Assessment tool. Here is a brief introduction to the tool. The tool is designed for fast and convenient evaluation of migration from VMware to Sangfor HCI. Let's create a new project. To forecast future capacity, we'll enter the capacity growth rate and the number of years. To connect to VMware vSphere, we need to enter an account with read permissions. If we also want to convert VMware NSX firewall rules, we need to enter the NSX credentials. After connecting to VMware vSphere, we can view information about nodes, storage, and virtual machines on the vSphere platform. The formal evaluation process will now begin. The tool will assess various aspects, including migration method, virtual machine configuration and resources, platform configuration, virtual machine compatibility, and migration risk. The assessment was completed quickly, and we can now download the assessment report. The report includes an Excel file summarizing the overall assessment results, giving us a comprehensive overview of this VMware migration. There is also an Excel document that tracks the status of each virtual machine, including basic information, configuration, risks, migration methods, recommendations, and more. If you need a more formal assessment document, the tool can automatically generate a Word version of the assessment report, allowing us to better define policies and prepare reports.